Hello, smart mathematicians. We're doing our first question for this exam preparation pack, which is question 111. Right, so it says solve for x, and then we have our quadratic equation, which is already in standard form. Remember, for us to be able to solve a quadratic equation, it has to be in standard form. So here we are expected to factorize. Okay, we're expected to factorize. So we look for the factors of negative 24. That will give us negative 2 when we add them. So what does this negative mean? This one. It means one factor is negative and the other factor is positive. What about this one? It means then the bigger factor is the one that is going to be negative. Okay, like we have 24, we can have 1 and 24. This will give us 24, but now they won't give us 2. And then we have 2 and 12. 2 and 12. Again, the difference between them is not 2 there, so they can't give us negative 2, those ones. Then 3 goes with 8, so this one is not there. And then 4 goes with 6. Oh, this one can give us a 2. So it means if we said if the bigger one is negative and the smaller one positive. So if this is negative 6 and then positive 4, you see that? Okay, so it means our factors are x minus 6 and then x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and then meaning that, so this is a product, we're multiplying these two brackets and getting 0. So it's either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0, or both of them are equal to 0, but we just write these two. So it's either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. And then therefore x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 4. So you're getting the answer for this tick there. I was just showing you that this one is already in standard form, it's not for the mark. So you're getting your answer for what? For the factors, and then the answer for the answers here, which is 3 marks. Okay, right. So we're going to meet when we do question 112.